Hey guys, it is cold and snowy outside, but I am craving boba. Who wants to drive? Instead, we're gonna try this out. It's apparently made in 40 seconds, so let's check it out and see if it actually is. All right, let's take a look at the box and everything we get in this package. So we get 3 milk tea powders, 3 boba packets, 3 straws. I cannot wait to try this out. Actually, I'm a little afraid. It should be quick and easy. And for every one package, it's 250 calories. All right, let's open it up. Let's see what's in there. Of course, I ripped it. Bit by bit, we'll get there together. All right. So, what's the packaging? Pull it out. And voila! I don't know where the straws are. Oh, they're here. They didn't lie. So, here's the bobas. The milk tea powder. And straws. All right, so I'm a little skeptical. It says here to mix 1 pack of the milk tea powder with approximately 5 ounces of hot water in the microwave until it dissolves. So let's open one up. Oh, I lost some. Hopefully that is 240 calories now. All right, and
That was close.
the hot water. Let's do a stirry stir and put it in the microwave till it dissolves apparently. So I'm heating it up, except I am terrible at packaged goods. It said to heat the water up first and pour it onto the powder, but we're gonna check this out. First, we'll heat it up for about 40 seconds. I heated it up a little bit. Here we go. Now we are to put the bobas in.
How does it smell?
How does it smell?
Does it smell like a boba tea?
Yeah, a little bit. A little bit.
Okay, so next the bobas go in.
Looks a little dark. Let me get all of that around here. So the bobas go in.
So the bobas are going to go in next, and then we put everything in. They're brown sugar bobas, by the way. Ooh. And everything is going to go back in the microwave for 40 more seconds. Add ice, and then bang, bang, you're done. But could it be good?
I don't know.
I'm very skeptical about this. Let's see what these bobas look like. I don't even want to grab one. Let me see.
No.
Oh, it's mushy.
Gelatinous.
Ooh.
That's the brown sugar. All right, let's put them in.
That's good though. Tastes like boba.
Let's flop them in here. This feels like longer than 40 seconds. All right. I'm just going to mixy
Mix
for a
it,
second.
and then back in the microwave.
And then back in the microwave for 40 seconds. 40 seconds is done. Let's check it out. Is it hot? Are the bobas unsticking? I don't know. I don't know.
Let's see. Oh, lift them up.
Don't know. This
A
one's
few of them
still
are clumped up. Maybe the ice will help.
I doubt it.
Well, we'll see. Now it's to dump that into this.
So
Because it's supposed to be cold, bobas, and this is definitely not cold. It's hot.
I don't like that this one's not unsticking.
Well, maybe we don't need that because there seems to be a lot anyways.
We're cheating.
Let me just stick that back in the bag for now. Okay, whatever.
All right, so let's pour this into our ice. Let's hopefully not spill anything.
Alright, stirry, stirry.
Stirry, stirry.
Smells good.
And taste test. There we go. It's like bamboo.
That's what she said.
Let's see. I'll shoot you straight. I'm scared.
Get a boba.
Bobas are still a little hard. The powder is actually really good. The taste of it is really good. The bobas are not the consistency a boba should be. So I know it's supposed to be 40 seconds. I would actually boil the bobas alone in some water, and maybe it would hydrate them. But I can say that the milk tea is really good. I thought it was going to be powdery. So if you see it in the stores, you want to try it out, have at it. I think we got it at Walmart. So if you want a boba and don't want to go out,
At home bobas in 40 seconds. Right there.
guys, like, subscribe. See you on the flip side.